Bell peppers are one of the most rewarding vegetables to grow, but they're also very sensitive to small mistakes, especially in no-dig gardening. Many gardeners think no-dig means a do nothing and wait, but that's not true. The no-dig method is about working with the soil, not ignoring it. When done correctly, it improves soil life, keeps roots healthy, saves time, and gives you consistent harvests. But when done incorrectly, it can lead to poor root growth, nutrient imbalance, pest problems, and weak flowering. In this video, I'll break down 7 mistakes that beginners and even experienced gardeners make while growing bell peppers using the no-dig method. Each mistake might seem small, but together they can reduce your harvest by 50% or more. The best part? Every mistake I mention has a simple, practical fix that you can apply immediately in pots, grow bags, or garden beds. So whether you're growing bell peppers on a rooftop, balcony, or backyard, this guide will help you avoid failure and grow smarter. Let's start with mistake number 1. Mistake 1. Planting too deep or too shallow bell peppers are sensitive to how you plant them. Many gardeners either plant the seedlings too deep or leave them too shallow. If you plant too deep, the stem may rot before the plant establishes itself. Plant too shallow, and the roots dry out quickly, weakening the plant. In the no-dig method, you don't disturb the soil, but you still need to make a small depression in your compost or mulch layer. Place the seedling so that the root ball is just below the soil surface and gently firm the compost around it. Avoid pressing too hard. The roots need air to breathe. Also, make sure the plant isn't touching the mulch layer directly. A little space helps prevent fungal growth. Proper planting depth encourages strong roots, healthy stems, and reduces the risk of transplant shock. Remember, your bell pepper needs air, nutrients, and stable moisture, not compacted soil. A well-planted seedling grows faster, flowers earlier, and gives bigger peppers. Plant it right the first time to avoid weak plants later in the season. Mistake 2. Overwatering or underwatering bell peppers are extremely sensitive to water. Too much water can suffocate the roots, while too little causes the plant to wilt and drop flowers. In the no-dig method, the mulch layer helps retain moisture, but it can also hide soil dryness. Check the soil by touching it. It should feel slightly damp, not soggy. Water deeply but infrequently. Shallow watering encourages weak surface roots, making the plant vulnerable to drought and pests. The ideal is to water when the top 1-2 inches of soil feel dry. If it rains, adjust your watering schedule. Containers dry out faster than garden beds, so monitor them daily. Overwatering also encourages fungal diseases like root rot. Underwatering leads to flower drop and small peppers. The solution is consistent, deep watering that matches your climate, soil type, and plant size. Proper watering is one of the simplest ways to prevent weak growth and improve yield, especially in no-dig systems where the soil structure is delicate. Mistake 3. Ignoring mulch. Quality mulching is the heart of the no-dig method. Many gardeners use the wrong mulch or skip it entirely. Cheap mulch or fresh grass clippings can burn seedlings, introduce pests, or create fungal problems. The right mulch should be well-aged, compost-rich, and free of chemicals. It keeps the soil moist, suppresses weeds, and slowly releases nutrients. Layer it 2-4 inches thick around the plant, but leave a small gap around the stem to avoid rot. Avoid plastic sheets unless you know how to ventilate them. They can overheat roots in summer. Organic mulch like straw, dried leaves, or shredded bark works best. Over time, the mulch will decompose and feed your plants naturally, creating a mini nutrient cycle without digging. A strong mulch layer also protects the soil ecosystem, encourages beneficial microbes, and reduces labor. Bell peppers grown with proper mulch have stronger roots, better flowering, and higher yield. 4. Skipping nutrient boosts. Even with compost mulch, bell peppers need a nutrient boost, especially during flowering and fruiting. Many gardeners rely solely on their mulch and are surprised when their plants stall or produce small fruits. Use a balanced organic fertilizer or liquid feed every 3-4 weeks. Look for a formula high in potassium and phosphorus for flowering and fruit development. Nitrogen should be moderate. Too much encourages leafy growth, but fewer peppers. In a no-dig system, sprinkle the fertilizer on top of the mulch, not under it, so you don't disturb the roots. Water gently after applying to help nutrients seep in. If your peppers show pale leaves, slow growth, or flower drop. These are signs of nutrient deficiency. Correcting it early ensures bigger, healthier fruits and prevents plant stress. Remember, no dig doesn't mean a no feeding. It just means smarter feeding without digging the soil. Mistake 5. Crowding plants too closely. Bell peppers need air circulation and space to grow. Many gardeners cram seedlings together in beds or pots to save space, so this causes poor airflow, higher disease risk, and smaller fruits. For no-dig beds, maintain 12-18 inches between plants depending on the variety. This spacing allows leaves to capture sunlight, encourages strong stems, and prevents fungal diseases like powdery mildew. Crowded plants also compete for nutrients and water. Even a thick mulch can't fix this problem. Proper spacing ensures roots spread freely in the soil, flowers get pollinated efficiently, and fruits have room to expand. If you're using containers, use one plant per pot or adequately sized grow bags. Remember, healthy spacing reduces labor and improves harvest quality. Mistake 6. Not supporting plants. Bell peppers can grow tall and heavy, especially when loaded with fruit. Many gardeners skip staking or caging, resulting in bent stems, broken branches, or fruits touching the soil. Use simple bamboo stakes, tomato cages, or netting to support your plants early in the season. Tie stems loosely with soft garden ties. Proper support keeps fruits off the mulch, reducing rot and pest damage. Supporting plants also improves sunlight exposure and airflow around leaves, reducing fungal and pest problems. In the no-dig method, support is easy to add without disturbing roots. Simply place stakes through the mulch carefully. Strong, upright plants yield bigger, cleaner fruits and make harvesting easier. Mistake 7. Neglecting flower and fruit management. Finally, many gardeners ignore flower pruning and fruit thinning. Bell peppers naturally produce more flowers than they can support. Too many flowers lead to small, underdeveloped peppers and stressed plants. Remove some early flowers to direct energy to fewer fruits. This encourages bigger peppers and a stronger plant. Also, harvest fruits promptly when mature. Leaving them too long stresses the plant and slows further production. Check plants regularly for yellowing leaves, flower drop, or overcrowded fruits. Small, consistent adjustments make a huge difference. No-dig gardening is about working with nature, not against it, so managing flowers and fruits is part of nurturing your plant's energy efficiently. With proper flower and fruit management, your bell peppers will grow bigger, healthier, and more abundant. All without digging.
If you found this video helpful, like this video, comment below which mistake you are making and subscribe to the channel for more easy gardening tips. See you in the next video. Happy gardening.